Welcome to Try a Maths Problem Today. I recommend you pause the video and try it yourself before continuing on and watching my solution.
Question 1 starts off with this equation here that has a square root in it, and they want you to solve for n. They tell you n is a natural number, so we don't have to worry about any complex numbers appearing here. So how do we do this? The first thing I would do is something you have to be very careful of doing. Square both sides. Now you be very careful when we square both sides. For example, if we had minus 3 equals 3, this is a wrong statement. But if you square both sides, you suddenly get a correct statement. So we need to be careful here. But for now, we'll be careful later. We'll check our answer later on. Let's square both sides first. The left side squared, we get n squared minus 6n plus 9. 3n's and n times 3 gets the 6n. And the right hand side squared, the square root just disappears. So we're left with this. Let's clean all this up, move it all to the left side. We get n squared minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9n plus 8. 9 minus 1 equals 0. So we can go ahead and factorize this. It does work out quite simply. N times n. Two numbers that make 8 and multiply to make 8 and add or take away to get 9. 8 and 1 seems to work. If they're both minus, they'll multiply for a plus and they'll take away from minus 9. So we get two answers here. N is equal to 1 and n is equal to 8. If you leave it as this though, you're going to lose a mark. I'd probably lose a couple of marks there. So what do you do? Let's test our answer. It's something we should do on every question. Test your answer. N equals 1, n equals 8. Let's test this one first. If I put it back in here, does it make sense? 8 minus 3 is 5. Let's write here. 5. 3 eighths is 24. 24 plus 1, square root 25. This one makes sense. That's good. Let's put 1 in. 1 minus 3, minus 2. You can stop here if you want, because minus 2 could never equal the square root of something. So I could stop right there, but let's continue on. 3 ones are 3 plus that square root of 4 minus 2 is equal to. So this one's not right. So you have to tell the examiner that's not right. Just if they see something like this written, or if they just see an extra, you're fine. But still, show them why you thought that. Even write in English why you thought that. Okay, if you have any questions in that question, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.